To all the mamas who dread making bone broth for whatever reason, this is your sign to make this chicken light soup that has literally all the nutritional benefits contained in bone broth. I call this the glowing skin and gut health soup because of the collagen and antioxidant rich ingredients that are used in this soup. The chicken legs and feet are super high in collagen, which is an ingredient that helps in healing the connective tissues during pregnancy, birth, and postpartum. It also makes your hair and nails strong and shiny. And as you may already know, a healthy gut equals a healthy brain for both mama and baby. So next time you go for your grocery shopping, do yourself a favor and pick up your chicken with bones on it and make this soup. I hope you like it. Assalamu alaikum. Follow for more pregnancy tips and nutrition.
It tastes delicious.